And welcome back. It has been a while, and no other excuse except I've just been really down because I haven't gotten to do any gardening until today. And I swear it is like I am a whole new woman. I got to get pretty much everything that I wanted in the ground this morning, this afternoon. I worked hard, got it all in because I'm about 3 weeks behind when I would normally have it in the ground. But regardless, I'm a whole new woman, and I'm cooking for I'm cooking something special for him, and it's one of his favorite bread side dishes. It's Paula Deen's corn casserole. Couldn't be simpler, and I keep the stuff on hand just in case because I don't change up the recipe except for maybe adding in jalapenos, which I don't have, so I'm not doing this time, or different cheeses, and then I do add garlic powder, so that is different than that recipe. Okay, so what I have in here is 1 stick of butter that I just melted, and this is the pan that I'm going to be cooking it in. I'm not dirtying up an additional bowl. You want an oven-safe dish, and I'm just doing it in my cast iron. So, to the 1 stick of butter, I'm adding 1 can of cream-style corn, and then 1 can of drained regular corn. Now, you could use frozen corn if you wanted to do that, or probably even fresh. I just have not done that. I always have canned corn on hand just in case because it preserves well. So I just do it like the recipe, and I don't change it. Don't have to change what's perfect. So, can of regular corn in there, and then go ahead and get our Jiffy Mix. This stuff's the best, and it's 40 cents. 1 box of that. And just going to incorporate that a little bit so that when I add the last couple ingredients, hopefully nothing will splash out of the pan since it is shallow. I just really didn't want to dirty up more dishes. I just did all my dishes. Okay, so now to that we're going to add about 1 cup of sour cream, and I'm not measuring this. I'm just going to plop it in. That's about 1/2 cup. There we go. So 1 cup of sour cream, and then 1.5 cups. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yes. Thank you. 1.5 cups of sharp cheddar cheese. And that's about 1.5 cups. Thank you, baby. I don't need any more cuts. Yeah, thank you. So get garlic powder. I go ahead and add garlic powder because I think it really tastes good. Thank you, baby. And then I'm also going to add some salt and pepper. Not a lot of salt because the cheese is salty, my butter's salted, but just a little bit. The last thing you want is for your cornbread casserole to come out and it be bland. It's okay, baby. Thank you. And then just mix this up just until combined. And then this is going to go into your oven at, thank you, 350 degrees until it is golden brown. Usually takes about 30 minutes in my oven, but I have an old oven, so if you have a newer oven, the time could be different. That's why I say golden brown, because if it's golden brown, it's probably done. Especially as long as you don't have it on, yes baby, thank you. Especially if you don't have it on a high heat. If it's golden brown, it's done. Alright. I actually got this recipe when I back when I worked, a co-worker gave it to me, and I swear, this is my husband's best day of his whole life the first time I made this. He's gonna be so excited. Alright, that looks pretty well incorporated. I just wanted to make sure that the butter and sour cream and cheese were really incorporated well. Okay, just even it out, and then uncovered, this is going right into my oven. So I will bring you back in about 30 minutes when we're ready to cut into this thing. Alright guys, so this is half gone because I forgot that I was making a video on it. But this is what the corn casserole looks like out of the oven after it's cooled off a bit. But it's more of a, it's a spoon bread, which you can see it still will hold its shape. And it is so good. It is so good. I love this stuff. So, oh, and this took 45 minutes at 350 degrees to get it to this consistency. If you had it in a 9x13, it wouldn't take as long. It would take more like 30 minutes, but this was my 8-inch, no, my 10-inch skillet. So that's why it took closer to 45 minutes. But I will see you guys on my next video, and thank you for watching.